5 awesome real estate video editing tips for outstanding videos. 1. Captivating intro. Start with an engaging intro using graphics, animations, or an appealing shot of the property. 2. Smooth transitions. Use seamless transitions to guide viewers through different shots, creating a professional and visually appealing flow. 3. Color grading. Enhance the video's visual appeal with color grading, adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and temperature for a polished and cohesive look. 4. Aerial footage. Incorporate drone shots to showcase the property's surroundings, amenities, and scenic views. 5. Motion graphics and text overlays. Add tasteful graphics and text to highlight key selling points, such as square footage or special features. Ensure smooth edits. Consider the video's pace and rhythm, and use appropriate music and sound effects for an impactful experience. These tips will help your real estate videos stand out and leave a lasting impression on viewers.